India has welcomed the ceasefire agreement between Israel and Hamas set to take effect on January 19, expressing hope that it will enable humanitarian aid to Gaza and foster a path toward peace. The Ministry of External Affairs emphasized India's consistent stance on releasing hostages, establishing a ceasefire, and pursuing dialogue to resolve the conflict. The agreement, brokered in Doha by Qatar's Prime Minister Sheikh Mohammed bin Abdulrahman bin Jassim Al-Thani, Egypt, and the US, includes the release of 33 Israeli hostages in a 42-day first phase. It also outlines a framework for sustainable calm involving prisoner exchanges, Israeli troop withdrawal from densely populated areas, and resumption of aid to Gaza. This development follows weeks of violence since Hamas' October 7 attack on Israel, which killed 1,200 Israelis. Israel's retaliation strikes have resulted in over 46,000 deaths in Gaza, displacing 90% of its 2.3 million population. The dire humanitarian crisis highlights the urgency of implementing the ceasefire and delivering aid to those in need.